Hi, Peter. So as to your question, as to how to do the problem with a for loop, it's a little bit confusing because the question says request and read four integer values v1, v2, v3, and v4. Add 5 to the smallest value and display it. Now, if we use four distinct integer variables, you don't actually need a for loop to do that. You can use if, else if. But it's also not very elegant. So let me show you the way that I would do this question. So we're going to declare an int array. Let's say int v equals new int 4. And we're going to use a couple for loops. Blank. I'm going to use int.parse here. I believe he taught you guys about int.tryparse, but for expediency we'll just use int.parse. Just be aware that if done this way, if someone enters a letter instead of a number, it will cause the program to crash. I'm going to put a little space there each time it runs. Now if we run it now, see, it says please enter. Oh, okay. So there we go. Okay. So you see, we can put in an integer value for each place in this array. We're going to declare a new integer variable called smallest. We set smallest to the first value in the array. Make another for loop. And we will say if smallest is less than the current position in the array in this for loop. Oops. Other way. If it's larger, if smallest is larger than the current value in the array. Smallest equals that value. Now if we do this again, you can see smallest value is 5. add 5. And there you go, that's how you would do it with the for loop. And I know you were a little bit fuzzy, I think you were saying on loops. So what this is saying these for loops is to do whatever code that we put in here, essentially this number of times. There's different ways to write this. This will execute 20 times. I equals 0, I less than 21. Oops. Oops. There you go. And if you're wondering how that's appearing like magic, it's if I type 4 and then hit tab twice, it'll make a new for loop for me. In any case, hopefully that helps. Let me know if it doesn't or if you need further clarification. And I'll see you at school. Bye-bye.